Hey everybody, we haven't been to Disney Springs in a little while, so I figured might as well. Probably should have come in during the day, but just thought of it now and decided, why not? Construction walls everywhere. Where do they think they buy these things? Yeah, good job. Construction walls everywhere. Where do you think they buy these things? Maybe at Walmart. There's a moon balloon, those are usually much larger. But here is a pop-up bar. Interesting. Living statues are a little bit strange. They're kind of like crusty jugglers. In case you're wondering, the world's largest Disney store is still under renovation. I was wondering. Ooh, black truss. Again, this section close to renovation. They're using M3 tape. There's a lot of the store that's closed. Let's go see what the free chocolate of the day is. Or the week, or I'm not sure how it goes, but let's see what it is. Of course, there's a long line as usual. Well, actually, no. This is where you go in, so it's not that bad. Oh, thank you. Milk chocolate caramel. I feel like I got that last time. This is kind of nice out here. Check out all the sparkly lights. Not very many of them, but that area over here is nice as well. Go inside for a minute. This is called Trend D. And of course is the Disney D. New arrival, just in. Don't know how much it is. Looks expensive. I still don't understand the whole sock thing. Yes, I don't see a price. I don't see a price. Kind of a cute notepad set. Don't know how practical it is because it's hard to write on parts of this. $12.99 for this. This is $50. Wow. This little purse. It's a mini purse. See, because it's small and it also has mini spell. It's $60. It's kind of cute, I guess. Little bag purse. 40. Whoops. It's $44.99. It comes with a little mirror. Some little flippy floppies. It says clearly made in Brazil. $28. Tink mugs. Tink mugs. These are $15.99. Not bad. Now check this out. This a canvas bag comes with a smaller canvas bag. Kind of cute design. It's $39.99. Not too bad. It's a pleather strap. Fun little bag. More socks. Now, if you put these on, you're not going to see most of it. Now this is appropriate. See, monorail socks. If you wear them too long, they start to smell and get nasty, just like the real monorail. Your socks are really goofy. These Mickey and Minnie socks are $13.99. No price on this one. I've now wandered into Disney Centerpiece. Well, that's American, isn't it? Laugh, love, Mickey. On the back, oh, red, white, and blue Mickey. This is $13.99, not bad at all. Salt and pepper, they are in the house. $19.99 for the salt and pepper set. Seems a little pricey. Not terrible, but just a little pricey. Looks like somebody's getting ready for 4th of July here. These are $14.99. I believe that's each. That's a tad pricey, not too bad. This even comes in themed. Oh, these are heavy. So yeah, this is meant to be kept in it. This is candles. $29.99 for this. These are. They feel like glass. Some Little Mermaid stuff over here. This is $16.99 for this. $15.99 for these mugs.
How cute is that? How cute is that? That's perfect for That's perfect because we need to get matching mugs.
Some Mary Poppins stuff. This bag looks very expensive. Let's see. And it is. This bag is $298. Well, that's a nice overview. I'm not going to show you every item in here. Kind of like the giant paintbrush and paint here. That's because it's for a little mini store, a store within a store, of paintings, of course. Look, it's Krakatoa. I mean, Rainforest Cafe. This is all lit up, but there's no sign. From here, I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can see a little bit of what I believe is illuminations, reflections of Earth from Epcot. There's some fireworks that shot up a little bit ago that you can see, but right now I'm not seeing any. There goes the Characters in Flight balloon. It's a store that pretty much only sells flip-flops. There's a couple of other things, but mostly flip-flops. And here's an American flag, and made in Brazil. Sorry, lady, you're not very good. Oh yes, the wine bar. I showed you this as a place that's coming in one of my videos, and well, it's here. Nice. Little grab and go area. They have beer, some water. Here's a bar, and outside of the bar is a bar.
I don't understand.
See if I can get that's the correct color. Still wish they went with something other than just gray for the remodeling of the Planet Hollywood. It's kind of bland. Used to be blue and stars and all that. Not anymore. This is one of 2 Starbucks locations here at Disney Springs. This is the larger of the 2. Looks like some movie lighting up there, or television studio. Smells not so great in here. I don't know what that would be. Kind of a bitter smell. And there's a whole seating area over here. So it's actually quite large. They have an Orlando You Are Here mug, even though this isn't actually Orlando. Over here we have Disney Style, one of the many places that used to be the Harley Davidson store. So Disney Springs has the world's largest Disney store, and they still opened another store to sell more Disney stuff. This is interesting. Actually, it's just a whole bunch of lights behind and a poster so that when you press against it, it looks like it lights up, but it doesn't. The lights are already there. Little teacup photo op over here. Alright, well, some of the lights that I thought were coming from the park that had the fireworks were actually coming from the AMC here. Some more construction progress. Unfortunately, it's not exactly lit up. We'll have to come back sometime. Past the Blues, it got a little bit of Universal here at Disney Springs. Quick progress update on the NBA experience. Looks like it's coming along pretty quickly. I'll come back again someday soon during the day and show you progress with sunlight. But see how well this video does. Aha! It was for The Incredibles 2, which officially gets released today, and that needs a donut because it's not very sharp. Never mind a donut. I don't think that's even focused. I think someone just put it up there and it was dark enough to see it, and they're like, yeah, it looks good. I don't understand why, if Pepsi is a pretty big company, why there isn't a Pepsi store anywhere that I know of, but Coca-Cola has always had so much merchandise besides just their soda. Look at this giant Coca-Cola jar, which is for lemonade, I guess. Back in the Disney store, it's 20% off of merchandise. Everything in the store, 20% off. 20% off for Disney Vacation Club members as well. These glaciers. I think they're just like slushies, sort of. Something like that. These are $4.79 or $8.99 for, and I think there are samples available for 0.00. Oh yes, I'm in Goofy's Candy Company. So some pretty good choices. I like how this kind of is more sanitary. I like how this appears a little more sanitary than usual, but really people put their hands all over this and it goes into the candy, so maybe not so sanitary. Good idea though. Duty. These look nice, but you know they're overpriced. There's a cookie that thinks it's ice cream. I'll make it. Those are nice. They get copyright violation. I better not play or record too much of this. I wonder how this treat is. I bet it's chewy. Right. I'm going to try Goofy Glacier Apple. Not much flavor. Really not much flavor. Skip. And here's another all year round Christmas store. Still looking for one year round Halloween store. Haven't found one yet. Well, that does it for this nighttime look at Disney Springs. Please check out my Patreon page. I would like to get a Disney annual pass again someday, but right now don't have the money for it. Or visit my Amazon link, please. You can buy things from Amazon. It doesn't cost you any money, but I get a little bit of money from it. So thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Still have to go on that one of these days.